Hey everyone, my name is Deepak, and today I'll be telling you the step by step process of how you can create a Kisan Jam fruit explosion bottle with VFX effects. What I've done, I've created a prompt for all of you. I will just copy it and I will go to ChatGPT and I will just paste it. What does it say? What does the prompt say? Help me write an extremely detailed AI video JSON prompt for VO3. And my idea is Kisan Jam Fruit Explosion bottle explodes, and second it converts as breakfast on table. What I have to do? What you have to do? Help you just have to type help me write an extremely detailed AI video JSON prompt for VO3, and my idea is, and type whatever your idea is, and it will give you a detailed JSON video prompt. What I will do, I'll just hit on enter and we'll wait for 2 minutes, for a 1 minute. It will give you a detailed JSON prompt. See, it has given me a detailed JSON video prompt. I will copy it and I will go to Flow TV and I will just paste it and I will hit on enter. I've I have got another hack for you. What you need to do, you have to go to Pinterest and type Kisan Jam fruit bottle image, and it will give you a Kisan Jam fruit bottle image. So what I have to do, you just have to download the image, go to ChatGPT. This is another hack. Just upload it and just type give me give me universal JSON video prompt of image this image and my idea is, just copy this idea what I have done and just paste it, and it will give you a detailed JSON prompt. See, it will give you a detailed JSON prompt. It will analyze it and see what it has done. Beautiful prompt. And let's go whether it has done or not. Now we'll see this video. It has generated the video. Let's see it. See what a beautiful image it has generated. See, let's see it once again. See what a image. Beautiful. It has generated. That's it from my side, and thank you for listening to me. Thank you.